In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset a template in Webflow by restoring an earlier backup. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and click the settings icon for your project. Go to the backup section to view the list of available project backups. Each backup includes the date and time it was created. Find a backup from before you made the changes you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu next to that backup and select Restore. Confirm the restore when prompted. Webflow will revert your project to the selected backup, including the pages, styles, and content from that point in time. If you don't have a suitable backup, you'll need to manually remove your changes, as Webflow doesn't provide a one-click option to reset a template to its original state. That's how to reset a template in Webflow. Thanks for watching.